こんにちは。JapanesePod101 です。
おはよう東京。こんばんはニューヨーク。こんにちはロンドン。
Lower Beginner Season 2, Lesson 20. Where can you find the sneakers in a Japanese department store? Hi everyone, and welcome back to JapanesePod101.com. Becky here.
こんにちは、夏子です。
In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask which floor something is located on. The conversation takes place at a department store.
It's between David and a shop clerk.
The speakers are a customer and a shop clerk, so they'll be using formal Japanese. The shop clerk especially will be speaking a little more formally than the customer. Okay, let's listen to the conversation.
すみません。本屋は何階ですか？
本屋は8階です。
あ、それから、靴屋は何階にありますか？
どんな靴ですか？
スニーカーです。
スニーカーは7階のスポーツ用品売り場にございます。
ありがとうございます。エレベーターはありますか？
はい、そちらのエスカレーターの右側にございます。
Listen to the conversation one time slowly.
すみません。本屋は何階ですか？
本屋は8階です。
あ、それから、靴屋は何階にありますか？
どんな靴ですか？
スニーカーです。
スニーカーは7階のスポーツ用品売り場にございます。
ありがとうございます。エレベーターはありますか？
はい、そちらのエスカレーターの右側にございます。
Listen to the conversation with the English translation.
すみません。本屋は何階ですか？
Excuse me, can you tell me which floor the bookstore is on?
本屋は8階です。
The bookstore is on the 8th floor.
あ、それから、靴屋は何階にありますか？
Oh, also, which floor is the shoe shop on, please?
どんな靴ですか？
What kind of shoes are you looking for?
スニーカーです。
Sneakers.
スニーカーは7階のスポーツ用品売り場にございます。
Sneakers are in the sports goods shop on the 7th floor.
ありがとうございます。エレベーターはありますか？
Thank you very much. Is there an elevator?
はい、そちらのエスカレーターの右側にございます。
Yes, the elevators are to the right side of the escalator over there.
Becky, what do you like the most in Japan about shopping?
Well, I think I like streets with different small shops near train stations. But recently, more sellers have been setting up their shops in big supermarkets or in malls rather than having their own shops on a street.
That's right. There are a lot of streets where many shops and businesses are closed, especially outside Tokyo. These kinds of streets are called shuttergai, which literally means shutter street.
Is that kind of like a dead mall?
Yes. If larger malls or supermarkets are opened, as a rule, the small shops nearby will have to close. This shutter street phenomenon has even hit major tourist spots like Kyoto.
That's a pity. Okay, now on to the vocab. Let's take a look at the vocabulary from this lesson. The first word is
本屋、
bookstore.
本屋、本屋。
Next we have
どんな、
what kind.
どんな、どんな。
Next we have
靴、
shoes, footwear.
靴、靴。
Next we have
スニーカー、
sneaker.
スニーカー、スニーカー。
Next we have
スポーツ、
sport.
スポーツ、スポーツ。
Next we have
用品、
goods, stuff.
用品、用品。
Next we have
売り場、
place where things are sold, such as sales floor.
売り場、売り場。
Next we have
エレベータ
elevator.
ー、エレベーター、エレベータ
And last
ー、エスカレータ
escalator.
ー、エスカレーター、エスカレータ
Let's have a closer look at the usage of some of the words and phrases from this lesson.
In this lesson, we have ございます。It's an extra polite form of the verb あります meaning to exist or to be.
Note that you can use this word only to describe inanimate things.
That's right. As you will use あります、ございます is only for inanimate things.
You'll hear this word often from hotel staff, restaurant workers, and shop clerks when they speak very politely to their guests or customers. Natsuko, can you give us an example using this word?
Sure. If you ask a front desk staff member, ATM はどこですか?
Where is the ATM?
You'll hear something like エレベーターの右側にございます。
It's on the right side of the elevator. The staff will say ございます because they have to talk to their customers politely.
If you just ask a stranger, they might say エレベーターの右側にあります。
Okay, now on to the lesson focus. In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask which floor something is located on and how to answer that question. Before we jump in, first let's remember how to ask about the location of something. A general question, where is A, is
A はどこですか?
where is A? If you want to ask where an elevator is, you say first, elevator,
エレベータ
and a topic marking particle.
ーは
Then say, where is?
どこですか?
Where is an elevator is?
エレベーターはどこですか?
Using this pattern, where's the toilet is?
トイレはどこですか?
Okay. And in a department store, for example, you will need to find the floor where something is. In that case, you want to ask, which floor is A on?
A は何階ですか?
You can replace A with the item's name that you are looking for. For example, restaurant.
レストラン。レストランは何階ですか? The pattern is almost the same as レストランはどこですか? You just need to replace どこ with 何階 which means which floor.
So, which floor is the restroom on is?
トイレは何階ですか?
How do you say, which floor is your office on? Your office is...
あなたのオフィス
So altogether the question, which floor is your office on?
in Japanese is あなたのオフィスは何階ですか?
You can also use the other pattern to ask the same question.
That's right. For example, when you ask, where is the restroom? You can also say, トイレは何階にありますか?
Literally, on what floor does the toilet exist?
Instead of 何階ですか? You can say, 何階にありますか?
Let's break it down.
First we have 何階
Which floor?
に
The location marking particle, which is equivalent to on in this case. Lastly, we have
あります
the verb meaning to exist, and which is used for inanimate things and a question marking particle.
か
So again, how can you say, which floor is the restroom on, using this pattern?
トイレは何階に ありますか?
What about which floor are women's clothes on? Women's clothes in Japanese is
婦人服。
which floor are women's clothes on?
婦人服は何階にありますか?
Want to master even more Japanese? Get instant access to all of our lessons.
With a basic or premium subscription, you get our entire library of audio and video lessons.
Listen or watch at the comfort of your computer.
Or stream them directly from your phone or mobile device and learn on the go.
Lessons are organized by learning level, so you can go one level at a time.
Or skip around to different levels. It's up to you.
Instantly access them all right now at JapanesePod101.com.
Okay, that's all for this lesson. Thank you for listening, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
またね。
すみません。本屋は何階ですか？
本屋は8階です。
あ、それから、靴屋は何階にありますか？
どんな靴ですか？
スニーカーです。
スニーカーは7階のスポーツ用品売り場にございます。
ありがとうございます。エレベーターはありますか？
はい、そちらのエスカレーターの右側にございます。